I look like one of those sad clowns. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys the first time that I tried liquid eyeshadow. But before we get started, I'm Sophia Lovelace. I post beauty videos, fashion videos, vlogs, and story time, so if any of that stuff interests you, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below to be notified when I have new uploads. I upload about once a week, so you do not want to miss out when I have those new uploads. So first, I kind of want to have a little bit of a disclaimer that I already filmed this video. And I know I have a lot of makeup fails on my channel, but that's purely coincidence. Or maybe I just suck at makeup. I already filmed this video, and it was a complete disaster. What? I look like one of those sad clowns. I mean, I am basically a sad clown. So I'm here to film the video again. This time, I'm gonna do not that. I'm not going to apply eyeliner on camera again. And I'm just purely gonna focus on the liquid eyeliner. However, I'm just gonna say it, we encountered another problem. The only reason that I bought these was to do a video. And I mean, it was only $3, but still. To show you the problem. So basically, this is the package. I got this at Winners. It's from a brand called LA Girl. It's about $1 per shade. That's pretty good. The actual problem is that, if you zoom in, you can see that there's sticky stuff, right? Sticky stuff right here, which wasn't there before when I first filmed this, when I first got it. Destiny is for this video to fail, or for me to not be a beauty YouTuber. I pulled it out because the bottom isn't sticky, so I'm just gonna, I guess, wipe it off. No, what? I was gonna swatch them. Okay, I'm just gonna, hopefully y'all can see this. Oh, I got it on my hand. This is the first swatch. So it looks like that. Now this one is the color Epic, and it's kind of in this sparkly red with orange sparkles. Yeah, there we go. It looks really cool, but let's see how it applies. So that's what it looks like. It's super thick on the edges. Yeah, so when I try to blend it, it just makes it look lighter. And the last one, Icon, which is this silver color here. Looks really pretty. I have a feeling though that it's just gonna be clear with gold sparkles and not a nice silver, but we're gonna find out. So my prediction was right. I just wiped all the sparkles away, trying to blend it to make it so the edges aren't clumpy. I would have to say my first favorite is the rose gold one. The gold one on now. I'm just gonna put it on my lid. Hopefully y'all can see it well. Okay, I gotta readjust. Hopefully y'all can see this. There we go. But you can't see it. The struggles of being a YouTuber. It feels like I'm rubbing frog slime on my eyes. Not that I've ever rubbed frog slime on my eyes, but this is what I would imagine it would feel like. So this is what my eyes look like. I just did them both. I think that the color looks really good with my eye color. I think if I were to do this again though, I would probably try putting darker eyeshadow just in my crease just to make it pop more. I'm gonna try putting on some liquid eyeliner, seeing what it looks like with that. I really hope that you guys can see what it looks like. It's really not, it looks good, but I feel like I just need more for it to look good. It doesn't look good on its own. It needs other stuff to help it look good. Well, I'm back. I put on some liquid eyeliner and some mascara. So this is what it looks like with my glasses on. I think it looks so much better with the eyeliner and with mascara. I might even do this without the dark eyeshadow in my crease. I might just put on liquid eyeliner and mascara. So this is what it looks like. I'll take off my glasses so you can see a little better. And when I first filmed this video, I noticed that, or at least I thought, all this stuff clumped together and I was really frustrated. That's why I felt like I needed to try this video again. But this time it's not clumping, and I don't know if that's because I applied more of the actual product or not. But basically that was my first attempt, or second attempt, at doing liquid eyeshadow. I know I'm very, very late to the trend. I know it was like a year ago when everyone was talking about liquid eyeshadows, but that's probably why I found it for like $3, because nobody wants it anymore. But I thought this is the kind of a video that I would like to watch, so I might as well put it on for my viewers, and maybe you guys would like it. Would I recommend this product? Maybe? You have to be picky with makeup because there's so many competitors, there's so many people, there's so many you have to choose. So would I choose this again from this brand? Probably not. This concept, maybe, depending on the price, and then also recommendations from people. I just have so many eyeshadow palettes from like Too Faced and stuff like that, so it's like I would rather use that, and I find that more effective and efficient than I do these liquid eyeshadows. I guess it's purely up to you guys to decide. If you really, really, really want to try it, then try it. But if you're kind of like, eh, then I would say no, just don't bother. I definitely think I'll try this color again, the rose gold color. I really want to try this red sparkly color here. I don't think I'm gonna be trying the Icon one at all, which is the silvery color. So yeah, I think it was worth the $3 for this video. It's just $3. I mean, I spend more on like candy, so yeah, so I think that's it for my video today. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out. If you also want to see more of my videos, you can click some of the videos that are floating, I'll put this way. You can click some of the videos floating around here. You can go watch some of those. You can also subscribe to my channel to be notified when I have new uploads. I post beauty videos, fashion videos, vlogs, and story times. So if any of that stuff interests you, make sure to hit that red subscribe button down below to be notified when I have new uploads. So I think that's it for today, and bye! You should click the videos. They're really cool. I promise. Woo.